Hello and welcome to TayTime. This week's Parsha, Lecha, we discuss Avram, and we see a big difference between Avram and Noach from last week's Parsha. When talking about Noach, it says that Noach walked with Hashem, but when discussing Avram, it says that Avram walked before Hashem. And we see that Noach needed the constant guidance and support and knowledge that Hashem was right there with him in order to do the right thing, in order to be good. But Avram didn't. Avram could make his own decisions. Avram could tell right from wrong and go beyond what Noach was capable of without having Hashem holding his hand, so to speak, and being on top of him. We see that when a parent trusts a child, they let the child walk ahead, whereas when they have a younger child that they don't necessarily trust as much, they have to hold their hand. But the important point to remember here also is that not only does the parent trust the child, but when the child walks ahead, he trusts the parent. He knows that the parent is right behind him. And that's the relationship that Avram had with Hashem. He was able to go a few steps because Hashem trusted him to be able to do right from wrong on his own, but also he knew that Hashem was right behind us. And we see another point though, when there's a dignitary or a king or someone impressive is coming somewhere new, someone goes ahead to introduce them. Someone comes and announces them. And that's also how Avram lived his life. And that's why it says he walked before Hashem, because Avraham lived his life announcing Hashem to the world. And I think that these points go really nicely together, because I think that when we live our lives with a constant trust and understanding that Hashem is right behind us, our very lives become an announcement of Hashem.